Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to build a landing page using GoHighLevel. While setting up a new page can feel overwhelming if you are new to the software, I will make the steps very easy to follow. By the end of this session, you will be ready to create a page that converts visitors into customers in about 5 minutes. Let's begin. First, go to the GoHighLevel website. You can find it through a search engine or by entering www.GoHighLevel.com directly into your address bar. Once the homepage loads, click on the Login to App option. This takes you to the login portal where you must provide your account details. Enter the email address you used during registration, followed by your password. Accuracy is important here to ensure you gain access to all the platform's features. After entering your info, click the Sign In button. If you are using a new browser or it has been a while since your last visit, the system may ask for a security verification. Click Send Security Code and check your phone or email for the code. Type those numbers into the login field to proceed. Now you will see the main dashboard, which acts as your central hub for marketing. To start your project, go to the Sub-Accounts section and select the specific account or client project you want to work on. With the account open, navigate to the Sites tab on the sidebar. This is where you manage your funnels and landing pages. Click New Funnel to start the creation process. When the menu appears, choose the From Blank option to build your page from the ground up. This gives you full control over every design element and content piece. After clicking Continue, you can browse through various professional templates that are both eye-catching and effective. Select a design that fits the style you want for your brand and hit Continue again. You will now enter the Page Builder interface. This tool is very intuitive, allowing you to customize everything from text and images to buttons and forms with just a few clicks or drag-and-drop movements. The goal is to make sure your page appeals to your target audience. Use catchy headlines, high-quality images, and a very clear call to action. Whether you want people to join a mailing list, book a meeting, or buy a product, GoHighLevel makes the setup simple. Keep your design clean and focused, as simple pages often have higher conversion rates than those crowded with too much information. Once you are satisfied with the look and feel, use the preview button to see the page exactly as it will appear to your visitors. Use this chance to make any final corrections or tweaks. Congratulations, your GoHighLevel landing page is now complete. You can now drive traffic to it and monitor your success as your marketing efforts lead to real results. Remember that digital marketing is a continuous process, so feel free to return to the builder to update or optimize your page based on the performance data you collect. Thank you for following this tutorial, and I wish you great success in turning your visitors into engaged and committed clients. Happy creating!